the Johal now, they're filming this right now. So even now, they're trying
Muslims, now we have a very interesting opportunity.
yeah.
Our lovely friend Smile to Banana is here, Seesaw. He is here at Speaker's Corner representing
He's a
Islam.
good Muslim. He's a good Muslim.
Give me a voice.
Well.
Representing Islam right now.
He said,
And I am here as a Christian preacher.
what's the
And our
question?
lovely 70-year-old, immature,
Immature?
physically grown,
No.
mentally
I don't
not
believe
so
that.
much. Gentlemen is all, don't touch me, don't touch me. Don't touch me, don't touch me.
You talked about
So the question I'm asking,
how many people
the
don't
debate side like, don't touch me.
why
Please, I'm not interested
why
in
is
touching. So please, if you, I don't, are you related to him?
yeah why
So he's interested in touching me. Please let him know. I'm not interested in touching him. So when you go home, please double check. For some reason, he's interested in touching me. Now, please, now, could you please get your husband to make sense right now? Why is Muhammad better than Hitler? How is Muhammad?
Are you not from India?
How is
Are you
Muhammad?
not from India?
I am from India. I don't understand Hindi. I don't understand Hindi. How is Muhammad better than Hitler? Sure. Yeah.
How many people start following his religion? And after our Prophet, our Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam done, how many people start following his religion?
Sure. Every Muslim, please pay attention. The lady at least is now engaging. And the lady is saying, Hitler, no one followed. Muhammad, millions and billions are following. That's your point so far. As if that means something. You know what that means to me? It means something very simple. The Germans were intelligent. The Muslims clearly weren't as much. That's what it means to me. The Germans saw the nasty person that Hitler was, at least after a period of time. By the end of the Second World War, the brainwashing they had gone through prior to the war, they were willing to lose. They figured out Hitler has been terrible. Our history is now tarnished forever. But hopefully we can become better. And so they lost track of Hitler. They forgot about Hitler. But Muhammad had the same ideas. But in terms of ideology,
Can you please make a statement? Yes, thank you.
go back a bit go back
excuse me, my dear
Go
friend,
back a
no
bit.
one is.
Go back a
I
bit.
am not
A
going
bit of
anywhere.
space.
Okay, if you
A bit
stay.
of space.
Look. Hey. The question. Everyone is chill. You are the only ones. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Is this clear to you? Look at these fellows. I am standing here.
just asking for space
There's plenty of space. This is the UK, my dear friend. There's plenty of space. If you want more space, go to Saudi Arabia. Now, to you, my dear friend. Look, I wasn't touching you. I am not interested in touching you. This fellow, I don't know if are these your sons? Get their minds checked properly. They are not worthy of living in the UK. Clearly, they want to impose Sharia in the UK. Get their minds clarified. Now, to you, my dear friend. Ideologically,
I don't like loud noises.
you don't like what?
Loud noises. Can you?
No. This is Speaker's Corner. Everyone speaks loud. If you have answers, you can. When I am loud, if you are these your children, your sons? Your sons have been terrible so far. I wasn't touching you. This is the UK. And if these fellows are implementing Sharia in the UK, they need to be. I don't know where you ethnically are from. Sharia is not in the UK, so they need to be clearly sent somewhere else. Now to you, my dear friend. In terms of ideology, Hitler dehumanized the Jews. He hated the Jews. And as a result of the hate, he wanted to wipe the Jews out. Muhammad had the exact same idea, not just with the Jews, but also with the Christians. How is Muhammad any better?
You asked me a question, I gave you my answer. If you don't like it, that's not my
No, I'm focused on the ideology. You didn't respond to the ideology at hand.
No, when I gave you my answer, you started answering me back. So I gave you my answer.
Your answer, if I could remind you, was that the Germans didn't end up following Hitler.
How is he better?
Yep.
Then I told you how is he better.
Yeah, your answer was sure. Your answer was Germans did not follow Hitler.
Say German.
No, the ones who were following Hitler did not. How many? So okay, you asked me how many followed Hitler. Yeah.
I told you, after whatever Hitler did, the religion he followed, how many came into that religion because of his whatever he has done.
Yeah.
And our Prophet, what was his religion after what he has done? How many people went into his religion?
So Muhammad says the Jews are worst of creatures. Just because 1 billion people have managed to follow him, you think that's a good ideology?
No, I didn't say about
It's
that.
2 billion and it's the fastest growing religion in the world.
But if you focus on the ideology, sir, clearly growth, physical, mental, not so much. Please stay focused right now. Muhammad dehumanized the Jews.
Still a quarter of the world follow him.
Yeah, like you, clearly. People like you would end up following. I can completely see why that is happening. But the question is, just because 1 billion of you are following,
Do you know in
is
history,
the dehumanization of the Jews acceptable? That's the question I'm asking right now.
do you know in history how many people the Crusaders killed?
If you can focus on the question I've asked,
Not killing people. You talk about killing
dehumanization
people.
of the Jews, is that justified because 1 billion Muslims follow Muhammad? Is that justified?
Wrong question.
So, my dear friends, here is the challenge. The Muslims, the response that the Muslims have given is pretty simple.
What did I say?
Because there is 1 billion and more people who follow Muhammad,
2 billion.
even though he is evil, we should treat him, with dignity and respect, which is much better than Hitler. That's their conclusion. I would beg to differ. I would like to think a person should be treated better than Hitler only if his ideology is better, not if he managed to make 1 billion people follow him. So dehumanization of the Jews, my dear friend, is that justified just because 2 billion people like him have managed to follow Muhammad?
Dehumanization of the non-Jews.
Of the non-Jews also, Christians also.
Yeah,
So
what happened in the
dehumanize,
Old Testament,
if you
when
please
they go
listen
genocide.
carefully. I've asked a specific question.
I was
Is
The
dehumanization,
same concept.
is dehumanization justified just because there are 2 billion Muslims?
You said there's dehumanization.
Well, the Quran says, Surah 98, Ayat 6. Let's read.